Did you have a long day? I did. Winding down the day for a good night's rest is so important. They don't call it beauty sleep for nothing. Here's a fun fact. Based on published research by psychologists, a good night's rest can instantly anti-age your face and make you more attractive. There are many factors that determine if you get a good night's sleep, from your age, existing health status, to factors that are totally within your control. Sleep hygiene describes certain principles we should follow to ensure our body clock, known as the circadian rhythm, functions optimally. It's also the perfect way to ensure your night skincare routine works optimally. When you sleep, your skin cells are regenerating and repairing. Alright, that's it for now. Good night and sweet dreams.